Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hazik. I'm from section 5. Today I want to talk about the points that I get from the talk about PLC. Okay, the first point that I want to talk is about the Siemens certificate. It can be used globally. It can be used all around the world. For example, when you go overseas, you can apply the certificate when you want to work over a company in a company, and it can use in other company as well. It is almost all around the world. You can apply the certificate. For the second point, which industry it can be used in? For example, it can be used in medical company, medical industry, and other than that, we can use in pharmaceutical industry. Other than that, we can use it in food and beverage and etc. Then, if you want to take the Siemens certificate, you need to take the German pedagogy teachings. That it can take either 3 or 5 days in work days. That's it from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Hazik bin Muhammad Noor. I'm from section 5, currently learning industrial electronic course, and so today I'm going to talk to you about the knowledge and the points that I gained from the Siemens PLC training talk that held on the shared facilities auditorium. So these are my points. Okay, so the first point that I want to talk to you is about the brand of PLC that has been told by the instructor, which is the brand of the PLC is worldwide, and it is used for about all PLC under the world, such as on our laboratory we use Omron PLC, and Omron PLC is the same as Allen Rockwell and Allen Bradley, but Siemens PLC is under all PLC. It means that in Omron PLC also it has, and Allen Bradley also it has, and the technology also have on Allen Rockwell. It means that any type of PLC that you use, it still has Siemens technology inside it. So that's what it told by the instructor. It means if we on the lab we perform by using Omron PLC, we still can use Siemens. We can still go through the training under Siemens. And the second point that I want to say is that the PLC training for work condition required. For example, the instructor told us that if you want to work under F&B companies such as Coca-Cola company, you just need the fundamental of the Siemens PLC training. It means that it is such a basic training for fresh graduates like us. We will for diploma level we just learn the basics of the PLC and undergoing through the Omron PLC, such as building the ladder diagram. So if we have the knowledge, we can apply it to the Siemens with the more competent training, so that we can go to the industries and get some jobs, and having a competent certificate so that we can work under any factory. Even 35% of the factory mostly will use PLC that is branded by Siemens. The technology is Siemens. So that's it from me that I want to say. Thank you for watching. So as for the conclusion for today, I would like to conclude that the with the certificate that the Siemens have provided for the fresh graduates, such as diploma and degrees, and for postgraduate I don't think so, because they only make research. So with the certificate that had provided, this will allow the graduate to have a high chance of getting a job inside industry. So this will reduce the percentage of people who doesn't have a job. With the Siemens, any students are qualified to work under any factory that contains PLC. So have a good try, and thank you once again.